Alright. How you doing, people? Welcome back. Let's do this back. Hello. How you doing? Have this 2022 Volvo S60. Yeah. I'm not gonna do oil change. I'm not gonna pull out the tranny pulse. I'm not gonna replace the engine. I'm gonna show you how to put this special bracket. It's coming straight out of the dealership. Okay. I'm gonna show you how I look like in a second, but don't forget, ever, do not forget to join to the community channel, subscribe to the community channel, do that too. Like the video, share the video, and the feedback put in the comment box. You know what I'm saying? Am I too low? I don't want to be like this all the time, but this is just the right angle, I guess. Yeah. Hey, if you want to give tints, you know where to hit. It's right below this video. There's a heart, it says tints. Click on that so you now at this bracket. Like I say, coming out of the Volvo. Part number is 31391625. Made in Poland. Shout outs to Poland. Shout outs to my subscribers. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. What would I be without you? You know what I'm saying? Shout outs to my haters too. Keep hating. I love it. I take all that, alright? Yeah. So this is the bracket for the license plate. The front, alright? The slash how to mount the bracket for the license plate. This is the bracket right here. So this bag comes with this. And 4 stars, screws, star for the star or Phillips screwdriver. Okay. No, it's the same thing here. It doesn't matter if you put it like this or you put it like this. It's the same, right? So we're gonna just align it here like this and bring it down to there. Okay. Pretty much, yeah. Because you don't want to put it there. It looks like that they tried already. I see a dent. So put it right there. Alright. The sensors are right here. Okay. So keep it one hand like that. Let's see. See the design. There's no way you can put it here, okay? No way, because where's it gonna attached to. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna sit it right there. Alright. And what you gotta do is, where's my, oh, here it is. Okay. Line it like that. Right there. You can put one here. We're gonna put three. It comes with a comes with a 4 screws. Right? That's one. Gucci. Second one. Line it there. So that should be good. Should put one more here. Like here, one here, and one here. But or you can just put it right here. Okay. It's up to you. You have 4 screws. You don't have to use all of them. Okay. So probably gonna put like, shouldn't cover that though. So good. It's so good. Those two, that's good enough. But like I said, it's up to you what you want to do. You can do whatever you want, alright? Alright, let's go with the video. I mean, eat. It's good enough. That's good enough, though. Unless you want to put it here, here. That's why you have so many holes here. You know what I'm saying? So, might as well put one here. We'll see. Hold up, someone's calling me. Alright, back to it. Just figure it out. I'm gonna put it right here. Perfect. Perfecto. Ooh, super nice. Super nice. Now this on top. Can remove it. You know what I'm saying? These are like nuts, bolts. Okay. Yeah. That's how you put a bracket in any car, right? Especially for this Volvo 2022. 2022? Yeah. 2022 S60. Alright. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Join the community so I got knowledge. Join the community so you learn some. I'm gonna leave it right here. Hold up. Right, so now secure, right? Remove this. That. Now the baby come in. Ooh. Pretty much, alright. Perfect. Thank you. Alright. That's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright? Subscribe to the channel. Join the community. So if you have any problems, you know what I'm saying, or any level, when you join the community, we can chat live. We can do that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, so yeah, we can chat. We can chat live. I'll walk you through the thing. Pretty much. Yeah. Alright guys, catch me in the next one too. I'm clocking out right now, alright? Catch me in the next one. Hope you like this video. Holla at your boy. I'm out deep. Brum.